Are you nervous?
I think I got it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very fun, interesting video. If you are a beginner, this video will definitely be for you because I'm not going to be installing my own wig. I'm going to have my cousin, who is very inexperienced when it comes to wigs, install my wig, okay? I'm going to explain to her how to do it, what we're doing, and how to style it. So it's going to be a full-blown fun video. You can definitely learn a thing or two. Again, she does not wear wigs, so I'm really teaching her how to lay this and perfect it so that you guys can also do the same at home. Let me introduce Deja. What?
Hello.
Don't be looking all shy. So, have you ever installed a wig on somebody else?
No. Have I? I don't think so.
I don't think you have. Are you nervous?
I think I got it.
Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Today we're gonna be doing a wig with MyFirstWig, hence her first wig. Oh my god, you see what I did there? First things first is, Deja, my hair cannot be like this. You're gonna have to braid it.
I know how to braid.
So you want a very flat foundation. Braid the ends of the hair. If you have really thick hair, I usually wear cornrows under my wig, but I already had a silk press from like 2 weeks ago that I'm still holding on to. So it was just easier for me to just put it in a ponytail since it's still very flat. Next, you're gonna cut the lace off of the back of the wig. So you want to cut the lace as close as possible to where the hair like starts. Have the client or person hold this down like this, the lace, and you're gonna pull this over and then pull the rest of the wig over.
Okay. Hi, miss. I just need you to hold the front.
Not the role playing. Okay, go ahead.
I'm just gonna place this over your head. Tell me if you feel any pressure. Remember to tuck the ponytail or braids underneath the wig.
You want to make sure that you don't see any of their real hair, so you want to bring it up a little bit.
Make sure her ear's on top.
No. Oh, yeah. But it's not going to be able to be on top. You know why?
Why?
Because you got to cut the excess lace off. Which brings me to my point and the point of the entire video. The most important thing when you have a brand new wig is the ear tabs, because that will determine how it's going to sit on your head. Is it going to sit comfortably? You don't want to cut it too small because then your wig will be too small. You don't want to leave on too much because then your lace is going to be all the way over here or sitting on top of your ears, which will make it very uncomfortable. Also, you want to make sure that you don't minimize the forehead too much. My forehead looks very tiny compared to what I'm used to. Yeah, and you don't want it to be too far back. The illusion on your forehead is bigger than what it really is will show if you put it too far back. Get a clip like this and scoop this hair to this side. This rat tail comb right here, trace where the ear is, and you're gonna get like a C, and you want to cut off the lace going this way. You don't want to cut straight.
Am I cutting the hair too or just the lace?
It's hard, but you just kind of feel for it.
Oh, I got it.
That fits perfect. Do you guys see that? So that's perfect. Do you see how she cut that?
Okay, I think I did it.
Looks good?
It looks melted to me.
So the good thing about MyFirstWig is you never really have to pluck the front. If you do want it to be a little bit more customized to your liking, you can pluck, but we're not going to. I can do another video where I show her how to do that a different day. We are going to glue the lace.
Melt it?
We're gonna melt it, sis. I really wanted to use hairspray. I did not want to have to use glue, but I feel like, I don't know what my gotta be glue is, and that's just not gonna hold. So we're just going to take the brush it back. We just want it to be as neat as possible. We know we wanted hair, right? We don't.
Okay.
Okay, we don't want it too far back. We don't want it too close. But we also don't want the glue on the person's hairline.
Here.
A little bit up.
Right here?
Yes. So now you're gonna roll it back.
Okay.
We're gonna use glue from MyFirstWig. It lasts really long for me, even when I'm not wearing, even when like I'm sweating or anything. So this is how the glue looks. I like to put it on a surface. Some people just put it straight onto the hair, but I feel like I don't like the whole dots thing because you don't have much control. So I pour a little bit on this.
Okay.
So I'll do like maybe that amount and start off small. What? Okay, so you're gonna take the end of the rat tail comb, right? I'm gonna hold it. Yeah. Now, another thing with glue, you do your hair in 3 sections. So you wanna do from temple to temple first. Start in the middle and paint back. Make sure you don't get it on the actual hair. My real hair, yeah. So now what you want to do is you want to pull it forward enough where you have enough control. Yeah, but lift it up. Yeah, lift.
No.
My wig is broken.
Like that?
Lightly press it in. Create tension. Pull and then press it down like that. So you want to hold it and comb back like that. Press in as you comb and press into the scalp. Yeah. When you're pressing, you want to press like this.
Like scooping?
Yeah. This side, we're gonna peel it up. I'm actually gonna peel it up to right here because I can see that I didn't put enough on this side. So we're gonna start from here and we're gonna go down. Oh girl, I feel you in my hair.
I know, I felt it too. Okay, wait.
What the hell? Oh y'all, I'm taking one for the team. I'm about to have no edges when we done.
Okay, I think I finished.
I think it's done.
Wait. Okay.
So, okay. We're gonna cut the lace. So what I do with the lace, they can't see you still. What I do with the lace, they can't see you. Okay. So what I do with the lace, right? is I usually cut down the middle. And
is that the middle even?
You just wanna work with one side first before you get to the other side.
Okay.
You don't want to cut too close to the lace. Cut it like this.
In a zigzag motion.
Messes right here. I'm gonna show you how to fix that after.
You take a Q-tip and dip it in alcohol. You just rub. I watch My Cousin. Do y'all?
Don't pull it back too much.
Oh my god. My first wig, I can't even tell her scalp from the lace.
Small cuts. Oh Lord. All right, Deja.
What you know?
See, there's still a lot of glue left on my skin and stuff, so we're gonna clean that off. So get a Q-tip out of that thing. You're gonna I'm gonna use witch hazel because it's the closest thing right now. So I'll use witch hazel or I'll use alcohol. It just depends on what I'm doing. All right, so dip it in here. We've cleaned up the edges, and look, you're gonna place it at the edge of the lace. So I just cut a wig cap in half, and then I stretched it out. That's gonna make the lace just like set into the skin. I'm gonna use a curling iron. Have you used a hot comb?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you know how to use it. And then we're gonna use the curling iron.
And lay it flat.
Yes, and just lay it flat. And then as you're doing it, every now and then, you're gonna keep combing until it looks laid. And trust me, you'll be able to see the difference. Move it back, yeah. Ow! You can go a little bit down. Be careful with the person's.
I'm scared.
Scoop, yes. Fold back. You want to bring it to the end of the hair. Then roll back.
Roll, bounce.
And then as you're rolling it back, right?
Mm-hmm.
You roll it back.
Release a little?
Roll it back. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and release a little bit and then pull it out a little bit. And then roll again.
Okay.
Now you're not gonna spray a lot, or it's gonna sizzle, cook, and spray a little bit. Use your hand to rub it in, right? Get the curling iron, and then you're gonna smoothen it from the lace right here down to your hand. Yeah, you're gonna keep doing that Eventually it's gonna get straight. Look at that.
Laid.
Okay, going to the other side now. And then again, now you're gonna hold right here like this. Smooth back with the curling iron. Don't cut the lace. Pull it up a little bit.
Your head?
Oh no, I can't see. Okay. That's okay, but this looks good so far. All right. Yeah, this looks nice and chocolatey. It's good, right?
Let me see. Yeah, do look good.
You're gonna create 2 C's. You're gonna flip it up like that. Layer it. I'm gonna spray this, and then I'm gonna hold it down and only do the roots.
Oh, so this is what you doing. Ow.
Really? What is this?
Oh. Bing bong.
I love it. Can I put my 2-week appointment in for next time?
Yeah, you could do it with the front desk.
And she just slayed a wig just like that. It's easy. If she could do it, and I told her, watch this video and do it with somebody that you trust and get the look, girl.
You could do it too. I know I can.
Okay, you know what? I'm done with you. So if you guys like this video and want us to do another one like this, definitely let us know. I love it. It looks good. She did a good job. High five. What kind of high five is that?
Ugly.
So I hope you're in focus. I can't tell. Are you in focus? Am I in focus?
I did
Bye,
that.
And